Hello guys, I'm Limitless Coder. I hope you're all doing well, and today's video is going about how to select a radio button on the checkbox in Selenium. So let's get right into the video. I have created the main class here, which is radio and options. Just nothing but I'm going to create a main function there. Okay, main function there. I have created a main function. Then I'm going to do initiate the WebDriver by using the WebDriver. This one. Then I'm going to give a reference name. This driver, right? So then I'm going to give a new and a driver class name is Chrome driver. Chrome driver. Okay, yeah. Then I'm going to get the URL of this radio button and checkbox button. This is the URL, and I'm going to paste it here. I will give it in a description, so you can also test this web page for a radio and option button. Then I'm going to maximize the page, so which is driver.manage.window.maximize. Then I'm going to find the element of the selective option button or radio button. So I'm going to run this program, and then we are going to inspect the locator where it is present. Yeah, the program is running now. You can see here. While if it is running, I will drag it from the second screen to the first screen. I think it's running, right? Wait for a second. I will do it off for another side. Do it once again. Yeah, it is running right here. So we can see the website for testing the radio button or option button. There is 3 option buttons here and 3 checkbox button here. We are going to select the 2 options button, 2 and 3. Then we are going to select the checkbox 1 and 2. Okay, so we are going to inspect this one to finding the locator. Using this one, we are going to find the option 2. What is this? There is a value called option 2. So we are going to do input and add value, finding the X path by using this one. So which is option 1, right? Sorry, option 2, right? Option 2. It is this one, right? So we are going to select the option 2 and option 3, right? So this is driver dot. We are going to find the element by dot XPath. Okay, now I'm going to pasting this here. Then we are getting the return type of this one. So which is option 2, right? Option 2. Okay, then I'm going to do to select this one. So I'm going to do this option 2 dot click, right? Sorry for this one. So option 2 dot click. Then I'm going to do, there's option 3, right? So which is this one. So what is option 3? So just change the option 2 to option 3. Yeah, it is this one, right? So I'm going to copy this one and paste it here to finding the element driver dot find element by dot XPath, which is here, right? Then we are getting the return type of this one. So this is option 3, right? I'm going to write it this on reference name. Then option 3 this one. Then we are going to click it down. So it was done. Okay, so in this option we are using this radio buttons to can be toggled on by using the click method. Okay, so we can check if it is done or not. So by using the if statement, we are going to check it is done or not. So option 3 dot is enabled. Open the bracket. Then we are going to consolidate down here. Option 3 is enabled. If it is done, it will be showed here. Okay, so I'm going to give the else statement to, then by using this is out, I'm going to print it on the console. So which is option 3 is not enabled. Okay, enabled. Okay, it was done right now. Okay, then we are going to the checkbox button. Okay, I'm going to select this checkbox 2 only. Okay, then what is the checkbox for the value which I'm going to select it? This is checkbox 2, right? So I'm going to write it down here. This checkbox 2, checkbox 2, which is here, right? So I'm going to copy this one, and I'm going to do driver dot find element by dot xpath, which is I'm going to paste it and then get an return type of this one. So with this checkbox 2, right? Okay, sorry, checkbox 2. Yeah, it was done. So I'm going to click the checkbox 2 also, dot click. Okay, then I'm going to check if we are using the checkbox. When we are using this checkbox, so we are going to check if it is selected or not. So we are going to use the if statement again by checking the, while we checking the checkbox is checked or not. So in this one we are going to use is selected function. Okay, so there is a checkbox 3 there which is not selected there. Checkbox 3. Okay, not with this one. Okay, checkbox 2. Wait, I will show it again. I'm getting the another checkbox also. It is easy to understandable for yourself. So I'm going to do driver dot find element by dot xpath, which is here, right? This is checkbox 3. So I'm not going to this checkbox. Okay, I'm not going to click it down. So we are going to, I'm going to do by the if class if checkbox 3 is selected or not. Okay, dot is selected. Okay, then I'm going to open it down, sys dot it is selected. Then I'm going to use else statement there, else sys out it is not selected. Okay, now we are going to run this program. Before that we are going to close this one and this one. Okay, in this program we are going to do, we have to select this option 2 and option 3, then we are checking with the toggle option, then we are going to select this checkbox in the check only the checkbox 2, then we are going to use the method which is selected by if it is checked or not. Okay, so I'm going to run this code. You can see what was happening here. Then I'm going to drag it to from here to here. Yeah, it was maximized. Yeah, 1 and 2 it was selected and the 3 was selected. Okay, first the option was selected, you can see it in the console, show which is console. Yeah, option 3 is enabled. At last the option 3 is enabled and checkbox 3 it's not selected. Okay, it will be displayed on your console. Okay, I'm running this code again. You can see by using the retard sleep I can slow down the process. Okay, retard sleep by giving the 5000, I mean the 5 seconds 5000 milliseconds. I have to pass some address declaration. Then I'm going to run this code. After this option 2 is clicked, then the option 3 is clicked. Okay, or the option we have to select the one option. Okay, so first one the option is selected, then the option 3 is selected. After 5 seconds, checkbox 2 is selected and the checkbox 3 is not selected, so it will be displayed on the console. Yeah, the option 3 is, I will show you, option 3 is enabled and it is not selected, which is in the checkbox. It is not selected, the checkbox 3 is not selected here. So this is the common function to check how to select the radio button and the checkbox in Selenium. And this is the simplest method too. Okay, now I hope you all enjoy this video. Make sure you click on the link below to subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell and leave me a comment there for more specific video. And thank you for watching, guys.